See that? You know what that is? What that bag is full of? Snails. We have a snail problem here at the 215. Look, can you get one of them snails out? Are they dead?
No.
They're not dead? Get one of them snails out of there. I'm going to show you the snails here. They're not the tiny little snails that you see. These are like snails on steroids. Yeah. What's the name of these snails, Pokes? You know?
Japanese snail.
He says they're Japanese snails.
That's what they call here.
That's what they call them here. And they didn't have a problem until when? You said after Odette.
Yeah, there's no...
It's all of a sudden, you like to get these... What are the size of them things? Them snails. Here. Look at that. Look at that snail, right? It's warm. Why is it warm?
Because you used to...
Can you eat them? Ah! Yeah. Look at that. Look at that snail. He got his head out. Is the antenna out? He's even moving. Can you see him moving? Yeah. But they are getting into the garden.
You're gonna eat all your...
And they're eating like all the fresh shoots that Lut's putting up. And how many? Was that 1 day's worth?
Yeah.
Like 1 day, right?
I got the other one. Look that way.
Yeah. He's got another bag over here. These are all in like 1 day. Yes, you could pour salt on them, but you know, you're gonna do run around and pour salt on everything. Here's another bag full of them. Here's one right here. Is that one? No, that's an empty shell. Another bag. Matter of fact, Miguel, he gets up at work 3-4 o'clock in the morning. He goes out here and he picks up the snails that are here. But yeah, they'll chew up the garden. They got a lot of them out. But we got these fresh shoots coming up over here, not here, like here. These are bean shoots. And they'll work their way in there and they'll just tear up the garden. So that is our mission today. We're going to go into town and we got two things we got to get. I'll show you when we get into town, but one of them is something to kill off the snails. Look, here's one right here, folks. Look at him. He's working his way in. He's right here. Look at him, right here. Right there. Look at that. Just like that. Yeah, you know, they put a lot of effort into the garden and everything to something to destroy the
This one, that one.
yeah, something to destroy them. But anyways, what else we got going on here? Here you go, Pokes. Eat it. Fried up. You can't eat them.
No.
You can't eat them because trust me, if you could eat them, they'd be a delicacy and they'd be selling them all over the Philippines. Miguel is building a shed here, a tool shed to put all his tools and store stuff in here. He's got the boar man helping him. He just started that today. And we got some more bamboo here to finish up the garden fence right here. So that's what's going on. And I guess we'll head into town. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed we will find it. Fingers crossed. It's all you can do. Wish and cross your fingers. So let's head into town. All right. This is my new purchase right here. A cat. 306D. I wish, right? Do a lot of work with something like that at the 215. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, our first mission here in Dapa. Paint store. Yes, we are going to get paint and primer to finish up painting the downstairs. Then Look can hang her pretty curtains she bought. What do you got?
What did you think about winter morning?
Where's winter morning? That's a white light.
No, actually this is the white one.
Winter morning.
That is
White and off whites. Well, you decide what you want.
I mean like serious.
As long as it's not
How about
black.
this word winter morning is this?
Winter
or
morning.
the other working morning is this white
hard to
off
see.
white.
That's it. You decide what you want. She's the boss.
No, I'm not the boss.
I'm just a simpy with money.
I'm not the boss.
Yeah, this is your local paint store here. Everything is here. There's your mixing table. There's your rollers and your pans, and this is where we bought our skim coat right here. You decide, whatever
This one.
whatever you decide on, we shall go with it. She went with the winter white. There's no machines here. Yeah, a little bit of this maple, wall coat maple, and black to come up with the winter white. There's no machines to put it in, all hand done. There's no shakers here. Oh, there it is. That's it, huh? You just match it up. Guess you get as close as you can get. Well, that's how it's done. Yeah. Do they have places here that have machines that do all that? I'm sure they do here in the Philippines. It's just not here.
I'm supposed to like this.
Not here on the island here. It's all hand measured. And hey, it is what it is, right?
Ako na is.
All right, what's the damage?
3,920.
3,925 for 2 cans of winter morning. That's what you want at winter morning. And
Yes.
2 cans of primer,
Yes.
2 brushes, and 2 rollers.
Yes, because I like winter in our house.
Yeah, do you think putting the winter morning paint on is
tomorrow it's gonna
cool
be
the
snow.
house down?
Yeah.
Tomorrow it's gonna snow.
Snow.
Hey, you never know. If it does,
Miracle.
get ready, because guys, it's the end of the world. If it snows in the Philippines. Now it has hailed in the Philippines and sleeted, but snow, if it does, it's the end of the world. All right, I just had a secure special order. I'm going with cupcakes for the 4th of July instead of a little cake. 4th of July cupcakes. I had to special order them at my favorite cake place here, La Meat Cake. Thank God the owner was in there. I've been stopping in there, and the workers are like, oh, she's not here. And she just pulled up. So I went with cupcakes, 20 cupcakes, red, white, and blue. And that's the thing here, guys. You will pay for good quality baked items, cake items here in Siargao, and they have the best. It was 1,100 pesos for 20 customized cupcakes, right? Hey, 4th of July is coming up, and still haven't found my baked beans. I think we're going to be baked beanless, I guess you could say, baked beanless for the 4th of July. Yeah, well, can't win it all, right? What's up, guys? All right, our next stop is to pick up Snail Killer. Snail Killer. I was saying earlier, we got that snail problem. What's it called? Shatter.
Shatter.
Guaranteed, right?
Yeah.
Shatter. What's it do? Shatter the shell?
Shatter the shell.
I don't know. Yeah.
They have the
Instructions on the back. All right. We need shatter. What was the other stuff called?
Snail bomb.
Snail bomb. You ever hear of snail bomb?
They don't
I think each place carries their own type of snail destroyer, right? They got all kinds of green in here for chickens, roosters, probably pig green. Yep, here's bad boy food. They got it all in here. Per kilo it's sold in rice. So it's either going to work or it's not going to work, right? I don't know how much it is. What, how much is it? 160 per pack. How many packs you need?
Wait a minute, because
All right.
I'm trying to remember.
All right, she's talking. Yeah, well, we'll get it. We got to get rid of these snail bombs. And they sell seeds here. All right. Melon. Is that some type of, what is that? Gourd. Doesn't even say on it. And they got corn. And of course they got peppers. They've got, what do you call it? Okra. They've got eggplants. Don't have a huge selection here, but you take what they got. All right, here's the issues you run into here. All right, like they sell that snail killer. All right, but look, was reading that it's for snails because they have a snail problem in the rice field, so they get that for the snails in the rice field. Now, will it kill off the snails we have, the big suckers? All right, the people that work, they don't know. Like, they don't know what the product does. You know, you run into that here. You could buy something like that and put it down, and it doesn't work. Like I said, you'll run into that. They sell stuff, but when it comes to actually knowing how it works and what it kills specifically, they might not know. Now, the one guy said, what?
Bar soap, like a
Bar
laundry
soap.
soap.
Laundry
you
soap.
put the laundry, and then you put on the spray, and then you spray on the leaves, according to him.
But what leaves? The leaves of your
the
plant?
Leaves of the vegetable.
The leaves of the vegetable. But are you willing to take that chance?
Because I told
and
him,
then,
I think I tried that before.
and then, you know, the snails eat it up and they love it, or it kills off your plants. You know what I mean?
The other one used to be has, because I think she told me like it's for the garden. However, they're out of stock.
Yeah. The other place. All right, I guess keep on hunting, right? All right, next up, the old handyman. Let's see if they have it at the old handyman. Hopefully.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning, Kuya.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
July na ay.
Ooh, that's a nice TV there, 65 inch. Wow, there's no music playing. They do have a little garden section in here. Yeah, that's nice. It would be over here to your left. What? Back here to your left. Here to your left would be here. Here's your garden stuff. Right here. I doubt they have it. I guess we're going to have to do what we have to do, huh? Going to have to ask. Oh, there's fertilizer. We'll have to ask. It's back here. Dog supplies. Dog stuff. All right. We'll have to ask. All right, no luck in there also. The one place did have it, but out of stock, sir. Imagine that, out of stock. If you know of any home remedies, all right, I'm not talking to little baby snails, you know, and yes, salt, but these suckers come in so much. How many do you collect in a day?
One plastic.
How many?
One big plastic.
So you can get like a little plastic grocery bag every day. And you would think you'd pick them all up and they'd all be gone, but they just keep coming back. If you know of any home remedies, like I said, these are the big snails. These ain't the little baby tiny snails. Let me know. Let me know. Something that won't kill off her gardens, crops, you know. Everybody's got a remedy, but when you try it, it kills everything else off. Anyways, I'm gonna grab me some chicken here at Anduk's. I get decent chicken. I get some decent chicken. What do I always get? I get the sandwich. You mind? That was a 50-50 shot, right? Or should I say a 50% completion ratio. We got the paint, we got the primer, we got the paint, we got the rollers, but we could not find the snail killer. Like I said, people had snail killer, but it was for rice. Difference between the rice and the garden. But we'll get it. And like I said, if you have any recommendations, first of all, if you live in the Philippines and you have a snail problem in your garden, let me know. Give me a remedy. If you live anywhere else, you can put your remedies down, but remember one thing. These creatures here in the Philippines are different than the creatures where you're at. For example, you could put on some nice smelling lotion on your body to get rid of the mosquitoes wherever you live. But here, they laugh at mosquito repellent.
You want to know
Anyways.
how much snails we get?
Huh?
You want to see how much snails?
Hang on. Yeah, we'll all right, guys. All right. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up. And with that being said, leave your comment below. Leave the comment below, and we'll talk to you later.